Hi guys, so we're at Haxby Road level crossing in Yorkshire with Joe Thorpe. There we go. Now, the time is 11:05 on Saturday the 22nd of August 2000, this is for. Hour 11:05, where's the time going again? 11:08, 2 Tango, 1 Tango 85, first Transpanel Express service from Scarborough to York. It's coming from this way. And here's your brand new red Yoda alarm, because this crossing has just recently upgraded to LED lights. Oh, you've done it, Adam.
The barrier light's already come loose once and I had to call the barrier in. How many more times will I have to call it in? Yeah.
Someone needs to tighten the string so it doesn't keep on getting stuck.
No, because when it goes up, these strings get really tight, like tighter than that. They get tighter than that.
This reminds me of Sleaford.
I know. I told you it'd be like Sleaford. And I told you it reminded me of Sleaford as well. Like, look at that.
It looks like two AHBs, doesn't it?
It looks better than having it stuck under and it looking like a GW.
Let's go on this side while we can still. Yeah.
If you have a look, it's way more tighter than this barrier here. This barrier has just had her new string put on because she's just had work done to her. So if you have a look, this has got black string, that's got white string, that's got black string, that's got white string.
The box just says Haxby, look.
Yeah, it's Haxby Road there. That's my dad. But if you have a look here, folks, these two barriers here, as I knew with the halogen lights, these were having trouble turning off the Yoda alarm.
Why?
The sensors inside them failed, Joe.
Did they?
A bit, yeah.
It's amazing how they actually managed to set level crossings to all this stuff.
Yeah.
I don't know whether all crossings do like a tiny little flash before level crossings start going off.
No, they're not meant to.
Some of them might have done, but I've not noticed. This is a nice tight cord. Look, no one will be able to pull this down the line.
Yeah,
That's too tight. Here she comes. We've got 185142. 185142 to York, and up they go. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.